this is gonna be yummy. Now guys, now we're gonna pour 3/4 of water in the bowl now. Now guys, now we're gonna crack eggs. I don't know how to crack them, so my uncle's gonna help. Now guys, now we're gonna put 40 pebbles in the bowl. Now grab one and eat it. It's yummy. That good? Now we have to mix it all up. Now I can't wait to eat it when it comes out, and it's looking so satisfying. And I really look at the pebbles like it's coming out so yummy. I love this. Yeah,
Keep going.
like this.
Mix it.
Now it's looking squishy. Now I have to mix it very good so the cake is not really good. And then fruity pebble. Let me know in the comments if it's going to turn out very good. Now guys, now we have the spray in there so the cake doesn't get sticky. I just have to like that. Now guys, now I'm gonna pour the cake mix in there. And it's turning out very yummy already. Now guys, now we're gonna put it in the oven. I can't wait to eat it, and I can't wait to see how it comes out. And I'm gonna get the rest of my family and my uncle. Now I already put the oven to 350. I'll put it in the oven by myself. Yeah. Now the cake mix is in the oven. Make sure you don't burn yourself. So I'm gonna let my uncle close the door because it's too hot for me. Now guys, the cake just came out of the oven, and it kind of looks like a cupcake. Like a donut a little. And now we're going to put the frosting on and the fruity pebbles on. Now guys, now I'm going to spread all the frosting out. Can I spread it out? The whole frosting.
Talk loud.
Now I'm just gonna spread it out very softly so the cake doesn't get messed up.
Talk louder.
Now I'm just gonna spread the whole cake white so it can look like a white cake. Can I put a little bit more frosting on?
Yeah.
Now I'm just gonna put some more frosting. Now I'm just gonna mix it. There, do that.
Tell them what you're doing. Keep talking.
Now I'm just gonna dump some pretty ornaments on it and spread it out. And then because sometimes I get icing on it, I'll just pick it up. It kind of tastes like fruity pebbles, and I love it. 3 pebbles. It's getting super white. So, put it in the corners too. Now just keep looking it up. Now I'll put a little bit more frosting on. Yeah. I'm just gonna keep doing some jigglies on it.
Get the outside of the cake too.
Oh yeah. Cause we're gonna make the whole cake white, right? Okay, I think I'll do this side first. Okay. Now I'm just spread out the outside too. Cause I'll forget we're gonna make this whole cake entire white. It's your neck like you always do. Okay. Now I'm gonna do this little more. Okay. Oops. And now, okay. Just keep spreading it out until it gets. I think I'm just gonna do the inside too. And I can do it on the plate too, cause okay. There we go. Now I have to spread out of it. Now I'm just gonna spread it out. Make the whole cake. And then I'm just gonna do this now. Spread it out now. Now I'm just gonna take some frosting off the plate and do that. That's how you cook. I would do the stuff that I did that one the first time. Please comment and subscribe if you want to make a cake. There. Now I'm just gonna do this with it. Like I'm painting. There. Okay, now I need some more. Sometimes I only put a little bit on because there's a whole bunch in here and I only have tiny here. Now guys, now I'm almost done with my cake. And I'm just gonna keep spreading it out. Yep, and it's looking delicious. And after that, I'm gonna put my decorations on it. By myself? I do how I want. Now I'm just gonna put on some fruity pebbles. I just put a little bit in my hands because I can't really do that. And I just want to organize them.
Put some more on this side.
Oops.
Looks nice.
There.
That's your first cake you make by yourself?
Give me a knife.
got something.
And I cut my cake in, taste it. That's yummy. It's like fruity pebbles.
Take like a bowl of cereal without the milk.
That's it.